Yes, start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. President, respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear fellow Pakistanis, Assalamu alaikum. And a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today I have been a chance to speak about Independence Day and Marikai Haq. Today as we gather under the shade of our green crescent flag, our hearts brim with pride, our eyes shine with emotion, and our souls echo with the cries of those who gave everything, their wealth, their home, and even their lives, so that we could live in a land called Pakistan. Free and dignified, this day 14th August is not just a date on the calendar. It is a living reminder of the battle between truth and falsehood, the clash between light and darkness, and the victory of faith over fear. Mr. President, which is a story of a dream that rose from the hearts of the oppressed, poured through rivers of blood, and settled into the soil of this blessed land. A land not given, but earned. Pakistan was not gifted to us, nor was it the result of a political accident. It was carved out through countless sacrifices by those who were barefoot through deserts, who left behind everything for the sake of La ilaha illallah. It was earned by men who prayed the nights and marched through the days, by mothers who kissed their son, who cried till the last kiss, and by children who never saw their fathers again. This land was created for truth, and truth always demands sacrifices. The struggle between truth and falsehood history teaches us that we never to stand. Falsehood tries to suppress it, but falsehood, no matter how strong, is temporary. Truth, no matter how weak, is same is eternal. Truth is like the sun. You can hide it for a while, but you can never make it disappear. Mr. President, even when the caravans of Muslims were attacked, their women humiliated, and their prayers mocked, they did not give up. They said, "We are not afraid of your sword. Our goal is greater than our fear." So a nation was born not with ease, but with fire, faith, freedom. Where are we today? My dear friends, let us ask ourselves, are we still on the path of truth? Are we worthy of this independence? They the world call us weak. They point at our division, our ignorance, our poverty. But let me tell you something, we are not weak. We are a nation that stood when no one stood for us. We are the blood of Tipu Sultan, the courage of Tariq bin Ziyad, the dream of Allah Muhammad Iqbal, and the leadership of Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Even if we have no sword in our hands, our faith is sharp. Even if we have no wealth in our pockets, our honor is rich. Even if we are few in number, our soul are millions strong. We will come like ducks of Babil, with stone of truth in our hands. We will shake the walls of falsehood, even if we are barefoot and good. Mr. President, let's talk about recent event. On this year, 22nd April, India blamed Pakistan for terrorist attack in Pelgam, and in response launched airstrikes under the name Operation Sindhu. On May 7, targeting civilian areas and innocent children. Pakistan's armed forces gave a strong and repeating reply by shooting down their aircrafts. And at dawn, brave Pakistani pilots enter Indian airspace. And at dawn, that day the world saw and hear the clear message from Pakistan. This is Pakistan. Any enemy that enter will never return the same. The entire world witnessed how India's false cries were shattered, how their propaganda was exposed, how their weapons failed to bring them victory, and how Pakistan stood responsible, brave, and dignified. This indeed was a Marikai Haq, a clear line drawn between truth and falsehood. Dear audience, we, the people of Pakistan, are not just fighting on the battlefield. We are standing for truth, for honor, for justice on every front at the end. I would like to end my speech with these slogans: Pakistan
जिंदाबाद
Pak Fauj,
आइंदाबाद
Wassalam.
सब